Hi everyone! Sa video na ito, magbabike check tayo and first impressions ng pinakaunang budget bike series ng Devel Project. Ito ang Devel Project Hunter 1. So yes po, ang Striga Bikes ay authorized distributor ng Devel Project Bikes. Sila ang main distributor dito sa Quezon City and sila rin po ang main dealer doon po sa Leyte province natin. So, konting background lang about the brand. Yung Devel Project Bikes was founded 2017 by Sir Paul Tan. And sila po ay UCI certified, which means sila ay internationally recognized. So, yung mga flagship models nila katulad ng Devel A01, Devel Rage, Devel Meta, at iba pa ay ginagamit sa mga international competitions. Because of this, naging kilala sila sa kanilang high-end na full carbon bike models. Pero sa unang pagkakataon, masisilip natin ang kanilang kauna-unahang budget bike series na i-introduce nila dito sa Philippine market natin. So mapunta na tayo sa specs. Ang frame niya is Devel 29er, fully internal triple-butted aluminum 7 series. Ang frame size naman niya is 17 inches na originally sinabi na nasa size 16 or 16 inches yung size ng frame. So, it can fit small to medium. Turns out na 17 ang na-measure natin kanina, but we tried them testing na i-fit sa 5'4 na tao and it shows na kumakasya rin siya. So, the size is good for 5'4 to 5'7 na height, na kaya pa naman siguro umabot hanggang sa 5'9 or 5'10. Now, it's better to have a test fit muna sa Striga branch para malaman natin kung kasya ba talaga sa inyo yung Devel Hunter 1. And pwede nyo siyang i-test fit once dumating na yung mga stocks sa branch natin. Internal cable routing naman siya, and at first glance, actually, akala mo fully internal cable siya, maliban lang sa harap of course because of the front cable brake. So, yung pagka-internal cable niya talaga is almost full, lalo na sa down tube ng frame niya, kung makikita nyo. Non-tapered rin siya, which means straight ang kanyang head tube, and it's compatible with a fork na straight tube din. So, kung mag-upgrade kayo ng fork, make sure na naka-straight tube siya para compatible siya sa Hunter 1 na frame. Yung frame naman niya is naka-glossy yung finish niya, and it looks very polished and smooth. Actually, sa first look pa lang ng frame, it doesn't feel like a budget bike. It actually looks and feels premium in person. And dahil dyan, major shoutout sa Devel Project for making a budget bike look like a premium bike. So yun, approve yan sa akin. May nakalagay rin siyang mount sa likod sa may seat stay for rear accessories such as rack and mudguards for enthusiasts na balak mag-upgrade ng kanilang bike as well. Stock coil suspension naman yung fork niya na may manual lockout, and yung stanchion niya is approximately 28 to 29 millimeters. And this is intended for casual and very light trails only. So again, this is not recommended for extreme mountain bike rides. This is just for casual and light trails lang. Okay? Dropout naman niya is quick release, 100mm sa front hub spacing and 135mm sa rear hub spacing niya. Sa cockpit naman is nakastock siya. All seat post, handlebar, and stem is DVL forged aluminum 6061. Then sa grips naman and saddle is stock rin also. So mapunta naman tayo sa group set niya. Simulan natin sa brakes niya. Yung brakes niya is hydraulic brakes. DY Island, yung brand ata ng name. And it includes 160mm rotors. So yung brake set niya is actually kakaiba yung look niya and somehow unique. Sa shifter naman is Shimano Altus 3x8 speed. Sa crankset naman niya is stock siya na 3x na naka-square type, which includes stock pedals of course. Sa front derailleur naman niya is Sunrun, and it is a low clamp type na FD. Sa rear derailleur naman niya is Shimano Tourney for 8-speed compatible. Sa sprocket naman niya is stock siya na 11 to 28 teeth, 8-speed, and naka-thread type siya. For the wheel set naman is stock siya na threaded type hubs, which is common naman sa mga entry-level na mga budget na mountain bikes. And yung rims niya is made of alloy. It's, I think, Gigach siya ata pagka-pronounce niya, na 29er alloy rims and 29 by 2.1 tires. Ang weight naman ng Devel Project Hunter 1 is approximately 15 kilograms. Now, when I tried to weight the bike, parang ang gaan niya actually, kung pakikiramdaman mo lang. Medyo magaan siya compared sa bike ko personally. So, very surprising siya actually kasi I think it's because of the frame. Kaya medyo lightweight yung feels niya despite being 15 kilograms. So, yun. Magandang factor din yan. Available yung Devel Project Hunter 1 sa 4 na color variants, which is yung sterling silver na nasa likod ko, yung black, yung red, and then yung blue. So yun. Personally, my favorite is this one, sterling silver, kasi ang angas niyang tignan eh. Pangalawa is yung black. So yun. Devel Project Hunter 1 retails at 12,500 pesos. So yun yung price natin dito sa Striga Bikes for the Devel Project Hunter 1. Again, yung Devel Project Hunter 1 is a 29er mountain bike. So wala po siyang 27.5 variant. So sa mga nagtatanong dyan, kung meron 27.5 yung Hunter 1, I'm sorry, wala po. So yun po talaga yung na-produce ng Devel Project, the 29er na mountain bike na Hunter 1. So para sa mga nag-pre-order ng Devel Project Hunter 1 dito sa amin, sa Striga Bikes via haranimall.com, yung next batch will arrive this month, March. So abang-abang na lang natin yung updates natin sa Facebook page para sa arrival ng Hunter 1. And this will also be included sa in-store purchases natin dito sa branches natin. So para sa mga di na makapag-pre-order, meron po kayong chance na makakuha ng Devel Project Hunter 1 sa branches natin. And that includes cycling essential freebies as well. So yun, sulit na. Again, magiging available for walk-in purchase yung Hunter 1 natin soon with freebies yan, okay? So abangan nyo yan sa Facebook page natin for more updates. Para sa hindi naman nakapag-pre-order pa, meron pa pong pre-order via our partner website haranimall.com. Open pa po. And puntahan nyo lang po dito yung website na ito, haranimall.com/devel, and dun nyo po makikita yung pre-order mechanics natin, yung prices, yung colors, yung variants, and yung models na ino-offer ng Devel Project na available for pre-order sa ngayon. So in this pandemic, Devel Project was able to support the Philippine economy in their small way. So nag-focus sila sa mga dealers to cater not only NCR customers but also our customers from Visayas and Mindanao. So kung mapapansin nyo, hindi Devel mismo yung nagbebenta ng bikes, kundi yung mga dealers na binibigyan nila ng authorization, kumbaga, technically. And isa na yung Striga Bikes sa mga authorized distributors na yon. Masasabing worth it talaga yung efforts ng Devel Project in putting up this Hunter 1 model. Kasi kung sa price naman lang, kung i-breakdown mo yung price niya, masasabi natin na ang laki ng nagastos nila sa paint job pa lang. Kasi sobrang ganda ng paint job. Dagdagan mo pa ng frame, yung components na Shimano, tsaka yung hydraulic brakes, tsaka yung wheelset, tsaka yung tires. So very worth it talaga yung price na sa 12,500 given that it is a Filipino concept brand. And take note that the Devel Project Hunter 1 is just a 2-month project. So given the situation that we have right now, yung pandemic, yung shortage ng materials tsaka supplies and all that, walang ibang brands na kayang mag-produce ng bike in just 2 months. So major kudos talaga kay Devel for making this possible. And most likely, this will be the only time na mag-produce si Devel Project ng budget mountain bike series. So, baka moving forward, magiging limited edition na lang to. So, most likely lang naman. So, antay na lang tayo sa future announcements from Devel Project. And given that Devel is a full Filipino concept brand that is internationally recognized, masasabi talaga natin na this is something worth having and worth looking forward to dito sa future ng market natin and overseas as well. Mapunta naman tayo sa personal take ko regarding this Devel Project Hunter 1. So overall, sulit nga ba siya? For me, yes, definitely sulit siya. In fact, still price na siya given that Shimano Altos yung shifter niya, Shimano Tourney yung FD niya, alloy na siya, hydraulic brakes. So sobrang sulit na talaga siya. And yung paint job talaga niya, yun talaga yung highlight para sa akin. Yung paint job niya, yung glossy finish niya, yung appearance niya, yung overall appearance niya, yung nagpaano talaga sa akin eh, nagpatatak sa akin. Kasi mas maganda kung makikita nyo muna siya actual. Kasi yung mga pictures na nakikita nyo and then yung videos na nakikita nyo online doesn't give justice eh. It doesn't really say na yun, sobrang ganda talaga niya. Masabi nyo na saks lang. Pero kung makikita nyo talaga siya in person, doon nyo talaga mas ma-appreciate yung overall look and overall beauty ng Hunter 1. Doon ako namangha sa kung paano nila dinesign yung Devel Project na Hunter 1 to make it look classy and premium yet super affordable. And big factor rin na Pinoy brand siya. So panalong-panalo na. At nga pala, road to 5,000 subscribers pala tayo ngayon, no? So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na and share mo na rin to sa mga kaibigan nyo para lumawak yung community natin dito sa Striga Bikes YouTube channel. Baka nakakalimutan nyo, may giveaway tayo sa 5,000 subscribers natin. So mag-subscribe ka na. So reminder lang pala sa mga nag-pre-order ng mga Devel project na models dito sa Striga Bikes via Harani Mall, we are sincerely asking for your patience and understanding regarding sa mga follow-ups and updates tungkol sa arrival ng mga Devel project na units. Of course, marami naman sa atin ang excited talaga, no, sa mga units na darating in the months to come. But, you know, due to unprecedented times, the best thing to do is to wait lang talaga. So, at least, it will all be worth it in the end naman pag dumating na yung mga na-pre-order natin ng mga Devel units. Ika nga nila, no, good things come to those who wait. So, relax lang tayo and let's stay patient. So, that's it for the bike check and first impressions of Devel Project Hunter 1. So, bale magiging available to sila sa Striga Bikes branches natin sa Tacloban City, Palo, Leyte, Ormoc, Leyte, and Tandang, Sora, QC, okay? So again, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-hit like and subscribe and comment rin kayo down below kung nagustuhan niyo yung Devel Project Hunter 1 at kung excited rin kayo sa mga nag-pre-orders dyan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Stay safe, wear your masks outside, ride safe, and God bless sa ating lahat. Peace out!